Welcome to Coders Digest, and in today's video we will see how we can download Python and then we can download and install PyCharm also. So PyCharm is a very famous and popular IDE for Python development. So I will start with downloading Python 3.9.1 and you can see that it has been downloaded. So I will simply click on it and install it. So I have clicked on it. I will click on install now. I do not want to go for any customization. Alright, so you can see that my Python has been installed successfully. Let me close this widget and I will go onto this URL. I will share both of these URLs in the description box. So here I can download my PyCharm. I will not download the professional one because I do not want to pay for it. I will use it for my learning purpose, so I will download the community edition. You can read the requirements also that this particular version is for 64-bit and Windows 10 and 8. Apart of that, it says that it should be good if you have 2 gigabytes of RAM minimum and 8 GB is the recommended. Similarly, 2.5 GB hard disk has been recommended at least, and SSD is also recommended. Okay, so let me download my community edition. I have clicked on the download and you can see that it is getting downloaded. So now my PyCharm has been downloaded successfully. I will click on open file here. So now what it will do, that it will simply open my installer. So here it is, and it is prompting me for my permission that it wants to install this particular file. I will say yes, and I will hit next, and these are certain things that I wanted to create a 64-bit launcher. I want to add launchers to the path, and I also want to open folder as a project. I do not want to check this because I do not want to create any associations, and I will simply click on install, and now it is being installed. Alright, so you can see that PyCharm has installed successfully and it is asking me to reboot it. So what I will do, that I will simply reboot it now and I will see you once I get my system started. Alright, so my PyCharm installation has been successful, and now what I will do is that I will click on the icon to start my PyCharm, and it might take a while to open it for the first time, because what it will do, that it will try to import certain settings. Maybe it will try to enter some values in your path. So you can see that now my PyCharm is started, and here there it is showing me two options: config or installation directory. That is if you want or you have certain configurations to be imported. If not, so I will say do not import any settings. I will click OK, and you can see that my version is 2020.3, so it is basically the latest version as of date. Alright, so now what I will do, that I will simply go and create a new project, and here if you say that you can see that it is showing me a default project. So let me name it my first project. Alright, I will keep all the settings as it is. So I will simply, maybe if you want to, then you can select an interpreter. So let us say that here you can see that it has selected my Python exe already. Okay, if you want, you can use the system interpreter. So I will just go and select the system interpreter, and you can see that it is showing me Python 39. So that means that it is using Python 3.9. I will select it. I will not go for any new environment, and it is updating my interpreter settings. Alright, and I will simply uncheck this create a main.py welcome script. I don't want that, and I will create. Okay, so now it will create a folder structure for me as a Python project. So let me just get it settled, and here what I will do, that I will simply, let me close these dips, and I will right click here, and I will click new, and you can see that it shows me that you want to create a Python file. I will name it as my first Python, or let us say that let me name it as hello. So I have created a file as hello.py. So you can see that now it has provided me my file, and I will just simply write it, hey there, please subscribe. Okay, so it is something that it is just a simple Python message you want, and you can print anything. So now you can just go ahead and create or run it. So basically I have created this simple file, and then you can run the file. Okay, so here you can see there are multiple options. So let me execute it, and you can see that now it is asking me for access, which I have provided it to, and now it should run. So you can see that the message I'm getting, hey there, please subscribe. So that is all about this particular Python video, and we have seen that how we can download and install Python, which I have used a latest Python 3.9.1 version, and then we have seen how we can download and install the PyCharm also. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you in another video.